Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson: a birthday party at the restaurant.
Yesterday, we went to a restaurant. It was Mom's birthday, and Dad planned something special. And my sister has made the birthday cake. Grandma came with us. Dad has made the reservation at an Italian restaurant. When we arrived there, the host asked us if we would like to sit at the patio or at the booth. Host, patio, booth. We have chosen the patio. The waiter brought us the menu. First, we ordered the beverages and the appetizer. For main course, Mom ordered a shrimp salad. Dad ordered spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Yummy, yummy.
Grandma ordered spaghetti and meatballs. And ordered a traditional Italian soup.
Wow!
I ordered a delicious lasagna.
Whoa! Wow!
For dessert, we all ordered ice cream. At the end, my sister showed us the delicious birthday cake that she had made. So, we sang happy birthday to Mum. The waiter brought us the bill. Dad paid the bill and gave the tip to him. Mum was happy. We were happy too.
Did you like this video? What about subscribing the channel?